Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll help you that how you can fix this Facebook problem that has recently occurred in some countries and some states, and lot of people facing this login problem. If you are facing this Facebook login problem and you have unable to login, then follow my few steps and settings to fix this problem. First of all, you have to open your settings. From here you have two options. In some phones there's an application manager, and some phones you have the option of apps. Now you have to click on application manager, app info, search Facebook. Now click on storage and clear cache. But the main step is that now go back, open your Play Store, search Facebook. Make sure you have the updated version of your Facebook app. After doing these things, your problem will be fixed. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.